I found the battery from a company called Big Time Battery and Electronics. The brand of the battery is called Power Star. It's a 12-volt, 18 amp per hour battery. That's twice the runtime as the battery that came with the Jeep. I also bought a battery charger. The price of the battery is $63.41. These are different use cases for the battery. I took this piece off so the new battery would fit in nicely. I simply cut this proprietary adapter piece off. You can see where the black and white cables line up with the old cables. The new battery came with nuts and bolts to attach the cables to the terminal post. I bought a pack of battery terminal connectors at my local hardware store and connected them to the cable. Here you can see the alligator clip connectors that came with my battery charger. Green means good.